Namaste, welcome to Havilah Elsha kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare carrot badam milk. This is one of my all-time favorite. Guys, if you prepare this once and have it, I'm sure never you will drink badam milk outside. Always you will prepare this and drink. Okay, and the good part is no one will even recognize that carrot is used for preparing it. Okay, now let's get started by having a look at the ingredients. 3 cups of boiled milk, 1 cup sugar, roasted cashew nuts, carrot boiled water, roasted almonds and almond paste, pista nuts, and 3 carrots I boiled and make it a fine paste, and cardamom. Okay, now take a pan, add 3 cups of boiled milk. Remember, don't add any water while boiling the milk. Now add almond paste and mix well. Okay, boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add boiled carrot paste and mix well. Okay, now add leftover carrot water which you used for boiling carrot and mix well and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on a very slow flame. If you find it is very thick, you can add some water. Yeah, after 10 to 15 minutes, now add cardamom powder and 1 cup of sugar. You can even add more if you want, then mix it well and boil for 5 minutes. Yeah, now strain the carrot juice. Okay, here is our carrot juice. Now add finely chopped and roasted almonds and pista nuts and also cashew nuts. Mix it well and keep it refrigerated for 2 to 3 hours. Until the juice becomes very cold. Now take the juice into serving glasses. Yeah, before you are serving, mix it well. Okay, now top it off with roasted almonds, pista nuts and cashew nuts. You can add saffron strands if you want. Oh, now the carrot badam milk is ready and I can't wait anymore for drinking it. As I told you before, this is one of my favorite. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havilah Elsha Kitchen. Bye bye lovelies. Mwah.